Hi, I'm Dennis with PA Alarms. Today I'm going to show you how to change your batteries in your DSC wireless keypad. So here you have your DSC keypad. To remove it off its base, hold on to it, give it a little bump on the bottom, flip it around, and you'll find your 4 AA battery. So once you removed your batteries, you'll see here the picture indicated the way to put your batteries in. To put the keypad back on your base, basically all you have to do is line up the tabs with the inserts on the base. Give it a little push down, and there you have changing your batteries in your keypad. This has been a Prince Albert Alarms how-to video. I hope you have found it helpful. Please view our other videos for your how-to needs.